Cuban securities, the sea guide of Cuba intercepted one American speedboat. We're coming with 10 people to Cuba. And before you can get into any sea territory of any country, you must have a signal that you are coming in so that they will not take you as a terrorist. So Cuban stopped these people, they stop and they open fire on the Cuban Sea Guide. So for that, the Cuban Sea Guide now open fire on them too. As the fight goes on, the Cuban Sea Guide killed 4 American bodies and 6 others were seriously injured. So you know what Americans are saying? Americans said that the version of Cuba is not correct, that what Cuba is saying is not correct. But this is what they do in Venezuela. They were in Venezuela Sea, American military in Venezuela Sea. They were shooting any speedboat that passed through Venezuela, which is not even their country, killing people they said they are drug. And these very Americans, you know what they did? They were having arms in that very boat. So Cuban take them to be that they want to come and do terrorism in their country and jump into their boat and move because Cuba from uh, Florida is almost about 140 kilometers, which is not all too far. So Cuba said this cannot happen. America is telling Cuba that they must explain good. But when they were doing in Venezuela, they are allowed to kill people and go free. You see that their people now, they retaliate for them. They said no. They kill people for drug. Now they are coming with arms to come and terrorize Cuba. So what do you think about this? Thank you, Cuba, for your well work you have done.